Hey guys, Bobby over here with Awesome Ford. I'm also going to show you a little tip where if it says key not detected with a push button start vehicle, there's actually a couple little things you can do to maybe make it work for you in the truck or vehicle. Hey guys, Bobby here with Awesome Ford. Hey, something that I've run into over the years with push button start vehicles is people saying that, you know, they'll get in the car sometimes and it says key not detected. Well, that can happen from a couple reasons. One reason being the battery might be low on the key. Another being sometimes there's a lot of frequencies going on through the air waves, particularly at airports, that can cause problems with the signal. So if you're ever in a situation where it says key not detected, but you clearly have your key in the vehicle, whether it's an F-150, Edge, or anything like that, you can try putting the key in certain spots in the center console or up underneath your console here. So you can try putting the key down in here, maybe here or here, and it'll get a direct connection to the sensor. So you can always try that. A lot of times inside the center console, there's actually a little cubby for keys to fit right into. So yeah, if you ever see key not detected with your push button start vehicle, try moving the key around the center console, find that spot, and hopefully that'll help you out. All right, guys. Hey, I hope these tips helped you out. Again, Bobby over here with Awesome Ford. If there's ever anything you need or any questions at all, don't hesitate to give us a call, and thanks for watching.